Here again, we are at the tail end of all the procedures that have been done. We're beginning to see the results. The last time we shot a video was about 6 months ago. And here we are. It's been 2 years since the first surgery. The results are beginning to manifest. So we're looking at the hairline. The vestiges of hair loss are gone. The hairline is that of somebody that has no hair loss. All this hairline was created using body hair, chest hair especially. So we're looking at the left oblique view. The profile is already forming as the crown also fills in. That's the temple work we did. It's filled in nicely. From the picture now you can make up the extent of the work we've done. The temple work, which extends from there to there. All this is in reconstruct. Now this is the right profile, again showing the work we've done in the temple, the frontal work, the crown. It's not actually the temple, it's more of the one half of the side of the head, which is from here to there. And this is the right oblique view. The form is quite normal, excellent. You can see the back patchiness that used to exist, and all the scars are completely obscured at this point. The hair in the back has been cut short, something that could not be dreamt of in the past. We're going to concentrate on the main area where he had a pool of scar. We succeeded in repairing the donor area and all the massive scarring that existed at the time. Looking at the top, you can see the coverage is quite dense, very good. Focusing on the crown, you can see the crown is gradually filling in. The crown was non-existent previously. It's an artificial creation. There used to be just one massive scar there. The scar is gone. To show the beard area after removing thousands of grafts. That's what it looks like. You can still see there's some hair, but obviously much less than you started with. In the chest, you can see in close-up view, nothing untoward at this point. And as you can see, the transformation needs no elaboration. Tell me what you think of the journey so far.
Very good, very happy. Long journey, but well worth the effort.
Looks like somebody with a great head of hair.